In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a virtual background to Microsoft Teams. Now to do this, first you want to go to your meeting. So I'm going to go to Meet over here, and I'm just going to join an empty meeting over here just so I can demonstrate this. I'm going to also click on Join Now. And now from here up top, you can see your camera. You want to click on Open Video Options over here. And then from here, you want to go to where it says More Video Effects and Settings to actually open up more backgrounds, because over here you simply just have 3. So I'm going to click on here at the bottom, and as you can see under video effects, there's now going to be a bunch of different virtual backgrounds you can select from. Now you could also click on them and click on the preview button, and it's going to show you kind of the preview of your virtual background. And then of course over here you could also add a new one by clicking on it, and you'll be able to find one in your computer, click on it and open it up like that. Okay, now make sure the background is in correct dimensions over here. As you can see, there's minimums and maximums over here, as well as the file format has to be the correct one. Now when you've done this, you just have to of course turn on your camera. So I'm going to click on that, and as you can see, there we go. You can then click on the one you want, click on apply over here, and you've successfully applied your virtual background. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.